Hello 5th grade cello players. This is a run-through / review session of Allegro, the melody. So most of you learned this in lessons and orchestra, so we're going to do a quick review of the beginning section and a more in-depth review of the longer section that maybe is less familiar. Alright, so let's just quickly review our beginning part. We're going to start with high D, and we're going to play You Echo Me. Okay, so here we go. Echo me. D, D, A, 1, 2, ready, go. Try this part slowly. 1, 3, 4, 1, here you go now. Try it again, ready, go. Try to make it a little faster. 1, 3, 4, 1, ready, go now. A little faster. 1, 3, 4, 1, ready, go. Good, now we're going to end on A. Okay, so listen, my turn, then your turn. Ready, here you go now. Awesome. Next part is this. G, G, F, sharp, try that, ready, go. And slowly. 1, 0, 1, 3, open D. Try that again. 1, 0, 1, 3, D, go. Okay, let's go from the beginning. Try all of that. Remember, that whole section repeats twice. Okay, here we go. High D, A, ready, go now. Circle, repeat. Alright, the next part, our bow is a little bit longer and smoother. Listen, this is what it sounds like. Alright, let's break it down. Be my echo. B, B, A, D, ready, go now. E. Try that again. That's twice in a row. 1, 2, ready, go. Next part sounds like this. Let's divide that. Let's just play this. B, C sharp, D, B, 1, 2, ready, go. Try it again, ready, go. One more time for good luck, ready, go. Next part is this. A, F sharp, E, try that, ready, go. One more time, ready, go now. Alright, let's try that whole longer section. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, here we go now. Okay, let's try it again. 1, 2, same thing, go. Okay, pause and practice that if needed. We're going to finish the song. The ending is the same as the beginning, but we don't take a repeat. So let's go from the beginning, but only play it once. Here we go. High D, D, A, ready, go now. All right, let's try the entire song. You may feel free to listen or play along. Okay, here we go. High D. 1, 2, ready, go. Circle, repeat. ready, go!